Well, here we are at the T.ordinoides ranch, and I thought I would try to throw together a little video of my Northwestern T.ordinoides waiting for some food. So let's walk around here. Let's see. Oh, who's that? Well, it looks like the old man. It looks like the old man's hungry. All right, mister. Got to back off a little bit so I can open things up. And there's your arch rival, the only radix that lives with the Northwesterns. She got a little kink in her tail, so I put her in with this group to kind of separate her out. All right, Mr. Flicker Boy, old man. You can't be there, buddy. Nope, hold on tight. Hold on tight. Get yourself an anchor, buddy. You got an anchor? All right, let's get you back up. Come on, back up. That's a good boy. Good boy. Now hold on. I got some goodness for you. I went out looking for some goodness for you. There's some goodness. Oh, what a good boy. Oh, what a good boy. I got a bigger piece of goodness in here for you, buddy. This is the Flicker. He has a nickname now of Old Man. So I think he's an old snake. I think he's an old snake. Where you going, buddy? He says, leave me alone while I eat. Uh-oh. A little rivalry going on. How come he has food and I don't? Why does that snake have food? How come he has food? Hey, Radix. Come here. Get up in there, you knucklehead. And here comes Flicker for another. Come on, buddy. Here. Another one. There you go. Good boy. Good boy. No, you stay away from Flicker. Good boy. You want to get up in this food dish and root around in the dirt, you're welcome to. Here, have this little chunk. Here. Somebody take it. There you go. Here, Radix. Looks like Flicker's up for another one. Looks like the Flicker's up for another one. Alright. Oh yeah, Flicker says good stuff, Dad. Good stuff. Get out of there. Knuckleheads. Alright. I guess we'll say goodbye to Flicker. He's back in the woods now, finishing up his meal away from everybody. Alright. Goodbye.